Saw, and I'm getting ready to wash my clothes. I thought maybe you might want to see how I do this in my little RV. Right now I am putting water into my washing machine. It's a small little washing machine. I've got it sitting on a table and a bucket on the side right there. Now in here it's filling up with water and soap. You see it? Okay, and the next thing I'll be doing is putting my clothes in. I'm hoping this isn't shaking too much. I'm going to stop right here and get my clothes ready to wash. I can figure out how to hit the pause. I guess it's not going to pause. So I guess I'll find some clothes to put in. So I'm going to put in my colored things in here. And I love my PJs. They've got the pink and blue. And oh, I got this other little blue top right here. It's on the other side there. And I'm going to put that in. Okay, you can see my clothes are in there, can you? I hope you can. And the water level's getting just about where I want it. Okay. Then I'm going to go over here and turn off my water. Like that. And I'm going to close the lid. May have enough room for work clothes, but anyway, here's the turn for my washer. So I'm going to turn it on there for about 6 minutes, I think. Yeah, and it starts. Can you hear it? And I'll show you how it looks inside here. You see? Really whipping the clothes around in there. So it does that for about 6 minutes. And then the next thing I'll do after washing, let's see if I can pause this here while it's washing. Okay, now I have washed the clothes, if you see in there. I don't know if you can see or not, but anyway, that's the clothes. And I'll be putting them from the washer area. If I can do this and hold the camera, I don't know. Anyway, put this into the spinner. Now, once I get the clothes in the spinner, and I get this little thing right here, and I put it inside like that. Now, sorry about that. Okay, and now I've got a spin, and the drain, I've got it on standard here. You can see. And then I'm just going to turn this knob to about 2. Now what's amazing with this thing, it knocks around like this if I don't have it level. Let me try that again. Now put that lid on top of it like that. Okay. There. And then I start it. I put it on 3. hear it? It's spinning. Now over here is hose. And I can put this hose into the bucket here. You can see that I have finished my washing. And so now I've got it all hung up with this is my dryer. If you can see, I call it my dryer. It works well. I also, when I put the clothes on it, like in the winter, like it is right now, I have of course, the heater. That's my heat, the only heat I have right now. But anyway, this is my clothes dryer, and when I get through drying all the clothes, I just put it away and set it in the bathroom, and it's out of the way. And in the summer, I just take it and hang it out on the outside of my deck. But anyway, that is my washing episode. And I was trying to see if I could find a kitty cat. Yeah, I know you don't think I really have one, but this is Itsy. Hey, Itsy. Itsy, you gonna wake up. Oh, she's such a sleepyhead. She's had her dummy full, so yeah, I'm hoping to get to my painting project today. Anyway, that's all for my washing episode. If you want to know what kind of unit I have, I'll have to pull out some kind of book. I got it on Amazon, though, for, I think, $69 or something. But it's been well worth it. I don't have to run to the laundromat and pay all the money to get 2 loads washed when I can just wash it myself. And the spin cycle is so good. When I take the clothes out of that spin cycle, it's almost dry. I'm not kidding you. It really wrings it out well. And also, I don't know that I told you, but there is move the water hose from the one side to the other, and you put water in the spin cycle so you can rinse it and stuff. I didn't even mention that, but anyway, it's been a good investment for me. And on a cold morning when I don't have to get out, I can do my washing. And then I just take it and pull it off the table here, and I just move it behind my chair, right back there. Yeah, and it stays there, and then I get it back out and wash again. Right down here is Clyde's little dog house. He sleeps under there. I don't think you've seen Clyde yet. But they're outside playing in the yard in the sun. So anyway, I'm just moving around here making myself sort of sick. But anyway, my clothes are done and they'll be dry today.